it's Neil and I am in my kitchen, and today I have this. If you've ever played Cards Against Humanity, which I have, and I have no idea where my set is. It must be in storage somewhere, but they have this new one here. Can you see it? Wait, there we go. It's the family edition version of it. So this one here is appropriate for kids 8 years old and up. I guess because at 8 years old they can read enough to make this thing go. I don't know, we'll read some of these cards and see how appropriate it really is. So, get this thing open here. And it looks like it's a game for 4 players and up. Yeah, why is this thing so hard to open? Okay, there we go. You can see there it says for the 4 players. But I'm just alone. But let's check this thing out. It comes with the little instruction card here. So it tells you how to play it. If you need the instructions, you can pause this and zoom in. But what the heck, I'll just read a few of these cards and just see what it is and see how this thing rates on this. So the cards are same flimsiness as a regular card, like a playing card. Seems good. They're kind of coated and stuff. Very fancy little backside of it. Family edition. So here let's see, I'll get out a couple of questions and a couple of answers here, and we'll just give them a few read through. So let's see here. It says, foolish child, do you think you could escape from blank? And so I'll just pick and just give some random answers here. Can you escape from the octopus stuck to my face? Can you escape from dying of old age? Can you this one here, I don't know if an 8-year-old would understand this one, but do you think you could escape from smashing the patriarchy? Or let's see, screaming into a can of Pringles. Can you escape from that? And then I guess, so if somebody had that and then the answers, the way it works is you deal out the answers to people and then they can pick which ones they did. I just put whatever, 5 random or 4 random ones that I had picked. So they don't necessarily correspond to the right question and answer, but you can see how it works. And so those answers are that. I'll just read a few more, another question and some answers. It says, girls just wanna have blank. And so, girls just want to have grandpa, and girls just want to have shutting up. Girls just want to have silence. I think this one is probably going to win on most any girl that would have this question. Or, oh, there's one here. Girls just want to have my annoying brothers. So I guess if it's some teenage girl and got some young brothers, maybe that would be appropriate for that. So those are kind of the questions and answers. So you can see it's funny and not quite as inappropriate as the original one. Here, I'll read one more here. It says, Papa, come quickly. There in the garden, do you see blank? Tell me you see it, Papa. So do you see, oh, my future husband, ha ha ha. Do you see a hot air balloon powered by fart gas? Do you see sitting on the toilet and going boop? So you see, these are just funny ones. So there you go. They're kind of funny, family friendly, and seems appropriate. And so this is the Cards Against Humanity Family Edition. I'll put a link to it in the description. Got it from Amazon. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.